Come here. Come on. Come on. See?
So we're having a heat wave right now. And so Mom is trying to teach them how to get into the little pool she got for them.
Come on.
Ridge actually likes it. Nita's a little bit afraid of it. We've got the mist system going, so that makes it a little more bearable. Yeah.
Oh, there you
Oh, Ridge did it. Now we got.
just jumped right in.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Nita's not very happy about that.
Come on, let's get in. Oh, yes.
There we go. And she's like, no. Good girl, Nita. Are you getting your feet wet?
Doesn't it feel good?
Yeah.
That feels good on the belly.
Get the nice wet tummy and nice and cool.
She's standing on one leg.
It's so sweet.
Oh, good girl.
So little Ridge looks like a little mud ball because he's already played in the water a little bit.
Good baby.
And when they get wet, then they go roll. They roll in the dirt, so.
Put your feet in.
They're so cute.
Here we go. We'll
Poor
see you.
babies. It's so hot. It's like 108 today.
Come on.
It's okay.
Come on. Red show her how to do it.
He says, come on, Nita. It's okay. Don't be scared.
Yeah, show her how to do it, Ridge. Oh no, you like it.
Now we gotta go help some of the...
Let me put a pine cone in there for you to chase. Here, see? Oh, look. Here, look at that.
that Sky and Summer on the other side of the fence. So we gotta get them a way to get cool too.
Now we need to get a bunch of wading pools. And some dogs love it and some don't.
Yeah. But we just come out and kind of help get them all wet down, and then that cools them down, and they're good little doggies.
We have the mist system.
Yeah, and the cave too is the concrete kind of makes it a little bit cooler inside there, so.
That's good, huh, baby? Does that feel nice? Yeah. Good. There, how does that feel? Oh, that feels
That's better.
good.
She's not jumping out now.
Yes. Can you sit? Sit.
She says, well, I don't know.
Come on. Keep belly. Oh, yes.